Hello, techies. Alright, this is comptia lab 7.4 and we are going to troubleshoot in network issues. So all of the facts that we're going to be performing in this particular lab has been highlighted for you on the left pane. So let's see what we have. So you are working at the IT help desk for a small company. You've been assigned a ticket in issue tracks. Your company's issue tracking software read the ticket, resolve the issue, make a comment on the ticket explaining the fix, and then close the ticket. All right, so let's get right into this. We go into the start menu, and from the start menu, we want to um, let's go to issue track, and from issue tracks, let's say for some reason I can't get my laptop to connect to the CopNet wireless network. Can you come fix it for me? All right, of course I am ready. I'm willing to do that. So let's send a message here. Hi, Marius. Hi, Marius. We are working on it. Okay, so let's appreciate him for his patience. Thank you for your patience. Okay, so we need to send the message out there so that the user knows that we've started work on it. So I'll go ahead and add this comment. So these comments will appear on the user's PC, or will be sent to the user, and then the user will be rest assured that the problem will be fixed as soon as possible. So this is in laptop in Office 2. So let's go into the flow overview and we'll locate Office 2 laptop, and we are in Office 2. So let's move this here so that we can access Office 2 laptop. So let's click, let's see, let's click this. Let's go to Office 2. All right, so we want to turn on the Wi-Fi here. Because notice that the Wi-Fi here is not turned on. So we use the Wi-Fi switch on the laptop to turn it on, and then let's see if that will resolve the issue. So we go into the desktop of the laptop and we check. Okay, the internet is still not connected, so let's connect to the network now. CopNet, let's connect automatically. Connect, and let's see, this is not connected, but let's just test through Google Chrome, and let's type in any random site here and see what happens. All right, so this internet is now working. Internet is now working, and we'll go back to, let's see what we have to do here. So we'll go back to the flow overview, and we want to go back to IT admin, and in here we are going to, we've resolved the issue. So let's put a comment letting Mr. Marius know that the issue has been fixed. So hi, Marius. The problem has been solved. Thanks. Oh, it's supposed to be solved. That solve supposed to end with a D, past tense, but it really doesn't matter now. Because of time, I'll just let it go. So the wireless adapter switch was off. Wireless adapter switch was off. In the front of the laptop. So we also have to indicate the exact position of that particular wireless switch so that the person takes note and ensure that the switch is on whenever he or she wants to use the internet or you make use of Wi-Fi. All right, so go ahead and add this comment, and I guess we're done here. We'll close this ticket and let's go back. There's no other issues to fix, no other tickets available for us. So let's see how we do. So we'll go ahead and score lab. All right, so that is it. This is 100%. If you find this video helpful, you know what to do. Like and subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Share this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. And if you have further questions on how to solve any of the test tab, you know what to do. Hit me through the comment section or use the WhatsApp number attached to this video. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck in your educational pursuit. Until we meet again, peace.